Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. So we have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on Google. Then click on all services, and now you have to find parental controls. Then click let's do this and click sign in. Now click use pattern and you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. And now click on more and accept. Now click on supervise. And click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And here you have to scroll all the way down and you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Now click next. And click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.